Add 1 tablespoon of perilla oil in a medium-sized pot. In a medium heat, add sliced potatoes and stir until lightly cooked. Sauté potatoes until the bottoms are lightly brown. Add water. And concentrated beef bone broth tablet and turn the heat up to high. Add leftover rice and separate the lumps. After it boils, turn the heat down to medium-low to simmer. Add some sea salt to taste. Sprinkle thinly sliced green onions and simmer for another minute before serving. This is a humble dish elevated by harmony, where each ingredient simply participates together in a pot. You don't need an extensive ingredient list or complicated techniques to create something truly enjoyable. Just 3 ingredients: tender potatoes, nutty perilla seed oil, and rich beef bone broth, united with purpose, delivering warmth, nourishment, and the satisfaction in every spoonful.